Ready to dive into the world of crypto trading but need a secure platform? Let's get you set up with a Bitpanda account in just a few minutes. First, head over to Bitpanda Account. You'll see a prominent sign up button, usually in the top right corner. Click on that to begin the registration process. Now, you'll need to enter your personal information. This includes your full name, a valid email address, and a strong, secure password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Then, tick the boxes to agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy after reading them carefully, of course. Once you've submitted the form, Bitpanda will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox, including your spam folder. For the email from Bitpanda, click the verification link inside to confirm your email address. This will redirect you back to the Bitpanda website, where you'll be prompted to verify your identity. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. Click on the Verify Now button. You'll be presented with different verification options, such as uploading a photo of your passport or ID card or using webcam verification. Choose the method that's most convenient for you and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This might involve taking a live selfie or recording a short video. After successful verification, enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password when logging in. Go to your account settings and look for the security section to set it up. I recommend using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Congratulations, you've now successfully created and secured your Bitpanda account. You can now explore the platform, browse different cryptocurrencies, and start trading. Don't forget to explore all the different features Bitpanda offers, like savings plans and staking options. Happy trading!